welcome back to the model shop, guys. I have a special unboxing today. This is a box that I purchased from Flashpointcomics. He's on Instagram and YouTube. I'll drop links in the description. This was a $110 shipped box. There's supposed to be some slabs in this box. So, yeah, let's rip into it. I've been waiting for this for a while. What do we got here? Oh, what? Oh, I see some extras in this box. Let's see here. What do we got here? A little Deadpool keychain. Little pop keychain. That's pretty cool. What else we got here? I have no idea. I have no idea what this is. What is this? I have no idea. That's cool though. Kind of looks like something from Destiny or something. I'm not really sure. That's cool. What else we got in here? Oh, a little Iron Man pop keychain. Cool. Not much of a pop collector myself. Kind of feel like those pops drive up the price of plastic, and as a model maker, you know how much that means to me. Okay, we got a bunch of stuff in here. So I'm gonna try to, okay, we have what appears to be 3 slabs and a bunch of other books. Let's see, we got some art prints here, it looks like. Jeez, man, he just like really crammed stuff in here. Good Lord. I was not expecting all this. Jeez. Anything in this cardboard? No, okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a nice art print here. It looks like is that Null? I'm not really sure who that is. I think it's Null. It is a limited edition. That's cool. We'll set that right there. I actually have this. I actually have this from the Comic Tom 101 Geek Street box. I have this as well. That's a cool one there. That was probably before I subscribed. Hey, check that out. I got a Wink Ink sticker. Let's see. Oh, I got a Squatchy print. Look out. Them squatches, man. You got to be careful with those squatches. Okay, I don't. What is this? There's another limited print. Oh, it's a Wolverine. Okay, it's upside down. That's pretty cool. Another limited print. Let's see here. That's just one of his Marvelocity, one of those inserts they give you. Another Wink Ink sticker. Man, I got 2 Wink Ink stickers. Look, here's a little Dr. Doom sticker. Now that's cool. I really like I like that. I like Dr. Doom. Let's see what we got here. I saw Superman pumping gas at a Texas road stop. Superman seen at shopping mall. Oh, that's cool. Superman was a robot. Man of Steel was exactly that. Humongous S-shield appears in a Kansas wheat field. Ooh, man. Superman is back. But is any of them the real Man of Steel? That's pretty cool. It's an ad for... I ain't got enough room here. That's pretty cool. I might actually hang that up on the wall. Another squatchy print. Man, them squatches, they're just like cockroaches. They're just infesting everything. Another squatchy print. The old dinosaurs versus Mars bots. Some magnets. Cool, cool. I'll stick them right up here on my workbench. Another print. This one got a little damaged in the shipping. I actually have this one too though, so no big deal. Another Comic Tom 101. Some Squatch stickers. I already have some of these as well. Wolverine, Sabretooth, another, is this, yeah, Mystery Mail Call, Comic Tom 101. Spawn. Man, you really loaded me up with the prints. That is one, that one. Also got a little damaged in the shipping. Alright, are we past all the... Okay, I'm not sure which way are these facing. Okay, we'll try to pull some of this stuff out of here. Let's save the slabs for last. Looks like we got some more stuff. Jeez, man, he really loaded the box up. I got a bunch of stickers in here. Good Lord. Look at this. Oh, Batman Superman sticker. Cool. Some little dude. I don't know. Some more squatchy stickers here. Good Lord, how many Squatch boxes did you buy, man? Oh, there we go. Ninja Turtles. Yeah, Stevie B's favorite. Guys, send Stevie B all your Ninja Turtle stuff. Got some Comic Vantage stickers here. I am a Comic Vantage guy. I like the Comic Vantage mystery boxes. A little Deadpool print. What else we got here? Oh, a little Carnage. Little Carnage sticker. And this, let's see here. Cali Greens. Did that come from Squatchy? I only got 3 of these. Tattoos. And I guess this is a little gun for this guy here. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Doesn't seem to really go in his hand, so I have no idea. Okay, let's get to the comics. Alright, man, he loaded that up. So let's see what we got here. Now, you know, he really, I think he was selling the slabs, and like these are just extra throw-ins that he threw in. So we'll take a look here. Oh, Undiscovered Country #1. Pretty nice. Okay. Oh, War of Realms #1. Oh, Journey into Mystery, I should say, #1. Those look like somebody drew a line through that. Battle Axis, I'm assuming. Never heard of this one. Don't know anything about it. Oh, Arrow #3. Actually, I have #1. So that's cool. Oh, and looky there. There's the Virgin variant. Iron Man Rapture, Marvel Knights. It says here 3D effect cover plus stories. I'm not sure. I don't know much about that book. It's a thick one though. Let's see here. Deadpool. It looks like it's almost looks like it's signed. It looks like ink. Ooh, X-Force #15. Deadpool and Cable. Only one will walk away. And Black Panther #2. Nice. Black Panther #2. All right. Now let's get to the main event. Let's see what we got. We have. Oh, wow. Wow, man. That's awesome right there, dude. That's great. That's worth my money right there. That is really nice. Really nice. Wow. That is cool. Okay. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, what is this? The Fall of the Mutants, Uncanny X-Men 225, signed by Mark Silvestri. Freedom Force and Magic appearance, Chris Claremont story. Nice. I like X-Men, man. I love these old X-Men books. I'm definitely a 90s guy. That's cool. Okay, and last but hopefully not least, let's take a look. What? Wow! Holy cow, man! I can't even believe that, man. Wow. 2 Venom Lethal Protectors #1 at 9.8 at that. Wow, man. Wow. I definitely got my value out of this box. Man, that is just insane. Okay, I gotta say, guys, That is just the crazy pull right there. Okay, so he says that he's going to be, like, he's going to start selling some mystery boxes. So head over to Instagram, follow him on Instagram, head over to YouTube, subscribe to him on YouTube, Flashpoint Comics on YouTube, Flashpoint Comic on Instagram. I will put the link in the description. Wow, man, this is insane. Insane. Definitely got my money's worth. So please go follow him. Keep an eye out for his mystery boxes. I would definitely try to snag one up if I got a chance. Wow. All right, guys. Well, you guys take it easy. Happy collecting and happy modeling. And I will see you guys in the next video.